Looking for ultra luxurious 3 and 4 bedrooms in Thane with large balconies, large rooms, multiple washrooms? Then welcome to Rustamji Vardant Vistas at Machiwada.
Verdant Vistas is a testament to the expertise of two strong leaders in real estate coming together to build an inspiring project like never before. For the last 28 years, Rustamji has built homes with more parks than parking lots and worlds where neighbors become friends. Our journey in Thane began with the creation of landmark projects spread over 100 majestic acres. From the success of Rustamji Urbania to the new milestones of La Familia and La Vie in Uptown Urbania, Rustamji has set new standards in community living. And now a new era is dawning upon Thane as Rustamji elevates refined living to a higher level with Verdant Vistas.
Our newest development surrounded by greenery and blessed with unending blues. Built in the details, the quality, and each element from the marble to the timber, from the fittings to the finishes. Enjoy sprawling sun decks. Experience the use of well-designed walk-in wardrobes. Have the pleasure of dual views from your residence. We use renewable energy, LED lighting, energy-efficient VRV air conditioning, solar power water heating, rainwater harvesting, advanced irrigation mechanisms, EV charging stations. They've been built by our engineers, designers, architects, manufacturers, environmentalists, thought leaders. Singapore has for a long time epitomized luxurious developments. It is also where our partners Keppel have been at the helm of creating some of the finest homes. They have brought to Verdant Vistas, they've added Eastern design philosophy to this refined living experience.
We are pleased to build on our partnership with the Rustamji Group following two successful projects in Thane. Verdant Vistas is set to further cement Rustamji's Uptown Urbania as one of Thane's most luxurious townships. With our extensive real estate experience across Asia, combined with Rustamji's deep market insights.
So optimal space utilization in keeping with the principles of Vastu. Further, these homes are designed for enhancing light and ventilation.
And with that, the way the building is placed, you'll have fabulous views all over.
Where the sense of tranquility is brought alive with the fragrance of blooming flora.
We are for Rustamji Verdant Vistas. We are envisioning a landscape that transforms the natural world into a place of joy and harmony. Our aim is for this journey from natural terrain to the creek to create a sense of happiness and well-being for those who will call this haven
It's the
home.
most breathtaking landscapes. We are redefining the epitome of luxury living in Thane. Welcome to Rustamji's Verdant Vistas.
Sprawling sun decks with endless possibilities. Creek views reminiscent of a Monet masterpiece. Limitless grandeur in every corner. A blend of splendor and nature, promising tranquility wrapped in luxury. Join this journey of opulence with us as you unravel Thane's finest residential project. Rustamji Verdant Vistas is waiting for you. It's thoughtful. It's Rustamji.
Hello viewers and welcome to DHC Reality, your real estate partner, which brings real estate updates about the new projects in Mumbai. Today we are exploring Rustamji Vardant Vistas. We'll be telling about the project details, but before that, if you are not subscribed to our channel DHC Reality, then subscribe to our channel DHC Reality for updates and information about the projects in Mumbai. Like, share and comment on our videos and watch this video till the end. Welcome to the heart of luxury, Rustamji Vardant Vistas. So this is the spacious living room of the house. Just look at the luxurious Italian marble flooring paired with 10.5 feet to floor to ceiling height. It gives us an amazing sense of space. Bright, airy and perfect for family gatherings and relaxed evenings with the views of Creek and Parsik Hills. Every corner reflects sophistication with modern fittings and design that blends luxury with comfort. This is the dining space of the house, which is seamlessly connected with the living space. Step into the heart of your home, the kitchen at Rustamji Vardant Vistas. Fully equipped with modular kitchen fittings granite countertops, and a stainless steel sink. This kitchen is designed for both style and convenience. With sleek storage solutions and spacious layout, it's perfect for cooking your favorite meals or entertaining guests. Vertified tiles, top-notch finishes, and gas leakage detectors ensure safety while design exudes luxury. Now we are moving towards a small space given near the kitchen area. This space is for the domestic help. You can make your domestic help stay here nicely. The inbuilt powder area is also beautifully designed. From this kitchen space and the domestic help space, we are moving towards the other spaces of the house. Step into this pure luxury with ample space and premium finishes. This bedroom is designed for ultimate comfort and relaxation. Just look at the floor to ceiling windows, which gives ample amount of light and air. The marble flooring to the high ceiling of 10.5 feet is very nice, and every detail exudes elegance and sophistication, making it a perfect retreat. The inbuilt powder area is luxuriously built. The other bedrooms of the house are also equally luxuriously built. You can see this walk-in wardrobe. This has been provided in the bedroom space for your convenience. So Rustomjee Verdant Vistas is an addition to the Rustomjee Uptown Urbania Township, and it is a cluster of 2 residential towers soaring 15-story high, and these are A and B towers, and it is 4 towers in which 2 towers are launched with 4 basement plus ground plus 46 floors of 3 and 4 BHK apartments, and this is built upon 4 acres of land parcel. The key highlights of this project is Tower A only consists of 4 BHK apartments and Tower B consists of 3 BHK apartments, and 45 and 46 floors are for the amenities. The configuration of Tower A is 4 flats per floor and there are 5 lifts, and it starts from 1760 square feet to 2244 square feet, and the prices starts from 4.38 CR to 5.80 CR. Tower B, which consists of 3 BHK apartments, has 6 flats per floor and 7 lifts, and the sizes starts from 1157 square feet to 1264 square feet. Prices starts from 2.71 CR to 3.01 CR onwards. The expected possession date of the project is February 2030, and here you will be getting luxurious amenities like swimming pool, senior citizen area, kids play area, gymnasium, yoga area, jogging area, sports court, amphitheater, library, VRV AC, inbuilt temple, multi-speciality hospital, and many more. Location-wise, this project is located at Majhiwada, and Majhiwada Junction is 1.3 kilometers from the proposed location, and it is easily connected to the key landmarks of the city. So if you are interested for this project, call us for more details and like, share and subscribe. Thank you.